In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert shape into video clip on Google Vids. So first is open up your project and go to the specific scene where you would like to add shapes. Then next, at the top menu, click on Insert. Now click on Shapes and Lines. And here in the right panel, choose a shape like rectangle, circle, or even lines and click on it. And as you can see, it will be automatically added on your canvas. Now resize and position the shape anywhere in your clip. You can also drag the corners to adjust its size and move it to highlight specific areas. You can also customize the shape by changing its color, border, and transparency using the style options. And if needed, you can also add animations to make the shape appear or move during the video. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.